Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm back again, live on my page, and I'm live on my business page, Prosperity with Sheetal Lobo. Welcome, welcome. Namaste, namaskar, and vanakkam. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you from whichever part of the world you're watching me live or you'll be watching the replay of it. And as you all know, if you have been following me from the last 5 days, I'm doing a Go Live challenge for 10 days along with my team. And it's an amazing opportunity that I didn't want to lose out on. And I'm doing it along with my team here. And today is day 6 of the 10-day Go Live challenge. And today's topic is, again, it's amazing. Um, yes, sorry. And today it's about sharing my testimonial and my personal wins in this digital business. So, for all the people who know about me, who am I, what I do, and all of those things, and for all the people who are joining in here live with me for the first time, a bit of introduction of myself. My name is Sheetal Lobo. I am a proud child of God. I'm a mother of three amazing young boys, a teacher by profession. And I am from Mumbai, India, and currently living in Abu Dhabi, UAE with my family. And I'm also a proud digital business owner and a mentor. And I've been doing this business for the last 4 years, and my journey has been amazing and inspiring for people who who message me, and it's an amazing journey that I am walking, and I have seen amazing things in this business. I have shared a little bit about my fears, how I overcame my fear, and how I changed my mindset, and I saw the difference or the change in my business, in my personal life, in my professional life, with the change in the mindset. So today I'm going to be sharing, sorry for my voice, and I'll be sharing a little bit about my testimonial. There are a lot of the testimonials came with challenges too. So 4 years back, it was a challenge for me to even think of doing something apart from my teaching job, because I have been an educator for almost like 20 years. And I always thought that this would be how I would retire, being an educator. I had no other plans, but due to some situations and circumstances in my life, we had to look for another opportunity that would help us financially. And that's when I came across this amazing digital business opportunity, which was flexible and which is helping me to do this business alongside my job. And I'm slowly building my path towards my retirement, early retirement for myself and my husband, and building a legacy for our children and paying our children's fees without worry and without stress. So, so my journey as I started, it was, I always believe that it's not a quick rich scheme. That is what we tell people when they inquire also about the business. It's not a quick rich scheme. Yes, people do see results. Some of them see results earlier in their journey. Some of them, it takes time. So my journey is something that I saw my results coming at a later stage, because all the time that I did not see results, I kept going on. I kept showing myself for my business consistently every day. Yes, it's not easy to show up for your business or what you love doing if you don't see the results, if things are not happening the way that you want. But I kept going on. I kept learning, even those months and years that I did not see the results. I kept learning. I kept learning the skills. I kept gaining that confidence to communicate and speak to people who are inquiring about the business, and to help my digital business community in whatever way that I can do in my little way. So so I have seen a lots of downs first, and then slowly my graph went up, and I have seen success in an amazing way. It's an amazing testimonial of how God stepped in every step of my journey. Even when I didn't see result, God was there with me to guide me, support me, and inspire me. My family, my children, they were there to inspire and support me. And slowly, I started seeing the results, amazing things happening, the momentum that is there in my business. It's all by the grace of God, and I am very grateful for it. I recently achieved one of the toughest milestone in our digital business community, and I achieved that milestone. It was such an amazing moment for me and my family, and we literally had a celebration. We had dinner as a family together, we cut cake, and we literally celebrated this achievement which I have been waiting for a long time. And I'm grateful that I achieved that, and slowly moving towards another milestone in my business, uh, and praying and believing and trusting God that it's coming soon. And I am very grateful for for my mentor, my coaches, my teammates who have been with me and who have supported me and always inspired me in my journey, and the amazing digital business community, the founders, Mike and Darren. Thank you for doing this for us. With the amazing training that we have, which is video based and simple and easy to understand, even if you're not a tech savvy person. So, this is my personal win and my testimonial that I am so proud to say that I did not give up even when I didn't see the results. And I'm so proud that yes, I did feel like giving up. I did feel like quitting. I did feel like that this business was not for me. But I stayed connected with the community. I stayed connected with the training that is available to us. I attended those meetings, even if it was late or early morning, whenever I could. I watched it live, I watched the replay. And there are moments that I have seen in this business which I feel for myself also that, yes, I did it. Did I do it? I really felt like that. I have been on the webinar that you people get to watch when people register on our website. They get to watch the free business webinar. So there in that webinar, we have towards the end of the webinar, people sharing their testimonial. So I have been on the webinar a couple of times, and I'll be again doing it next week, again, one of the days. So you will see me again on the webinar sharing my testimonial. 4 years back, I never thought that I will be able to do it, and I will be able to share my testimonial live on a and so many people watching. Yes, and so many people watching the replay of it. And I have done it. This is the biggest achievement for me, a biggest win for me. Uh, for me, when I started as a shy and introvert mom, who thought uh, that I would earn a little more so that I will be able to pay my children's fees and support my husband financially. But this business has given me much more than that. It has given me that personal growth. It has given me that hope. It has given me to understand that this Sheetal is much more than a teacher. I can do much more than teaching, and I can guide and help people in a thing that is related to some business. Yes, so this is amazing for me. This is my small win, but it is very big win for me, and I have learned to celebrate even my littlest and the smallest wins that I have been seeing in my business, and I'm very proud of it. And I'm very proud to be connecting with people every day and answering their queries and listening to them, their stories. And it's an amazing journey. I have a long way to go. I have to see much more much more achievements in my walk in this business, and I've got people who are there cheering up for me, and especially thanks to my team members who are there to support me and help me and inspire me and walk along with me. So this is my little testimonial. You will be seeing much more happy things, celebrations happening in my business in the coming months. And stay tuned and stay connected. And I want to ask the people who have been following me and watching me for all these 4 years quietly from the corner of your house, or wherever you're watching me, or wherever you have been following me or watching me, stay connected. Ask the questions that are needed. Don't let this year end the same way that you have been struggling and going around the entire year this year. So let the new year bring forth a new hope, a new light in your life that you have been praying for and waiting for. So ask me the questions, get connected with me, go to my website, and you will get to see or watch that free complimentary webinar, which is the first step towards the journey, start of your journey for this amazing digital business. I know you people are skeptical. I was in the same place, but I did not let that hold me back. I took that step of faith with fear. I overcame my fear and learned the skills that was not in my not for me. I came out of my comfort zone and learned the skills, and I'm doing the things that I've never done, and I'm happy I'm doing it. I never knew how to create content, and but I've learned it from the business, and I feel so glad and grateful to God that He has given me that wisdom to learn these skills. I know some of us feel that after you're 40 and all, it's whatever job you're doing, that's the only thing. You cannot think of doing anything else because your mind is not there to learn something new. But it's just the beginning. 40 is not the end. 40 or 30 or whatever age you're, it's just the starting of. If you want to do something, if you want to see a change in your life, and if you want to not keep struggling and stressing about the finances or the things that the dreams that you have, if you don't want to put that on hold, take that step of faith, get connected with me, and I will be glad and happy to share what this digital business is all about. And I will be there to help you, guide you in every step of your journey as a business owner. So stay tuned, stay connected with me, ask me the questions. Don't fear. There is nothing, there is no wrong or right questions. You can ask me the questions and I will be there to answer your queries. So take care, all of you. Have a wonderful weekend. Spend time with your family, make memories. And so this is my day 6 of my 10 days Go Live challenge. And I will be seeing you all tomorrow for my day 7 Go Live challenge. I don't know what is the topic. I have to go back and see what's the topic. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a wonderful and a blessed weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.